Hello everybody, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing the Blusmart Vacuum Sealer. So if you guys are interested, you can find this product in my video description. But let's go ahead and get started. See what, oh that's nice, they supplied some bags and some other bags. It's always nice when companies do that. Alright, so we got the owner's manual down here. 1 year hassle-free return policy. Owner's manual. So look at this. So this actually, okay. So this has the option of placing, so it has the option of placing a roll of vacuum sealable bags. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Alright. So they supplied us with a roll. So that's pretty cool. So this is the inside. Nice big tray that you can pull out. It says, please, for best results, wait 40 seconds between each one. So that's where it heats up. Okay guys, so to use this feature for bags, you select how long you want it, and then you lift up this little tab right here. You put it at the very bottom underneath it, and you just pull it through. So let's say we want that size. You press it down firmly and you slide this straight across and it cuts it into a bag. And then what you want to do is you want to heat seal one of the ends of the bags. So on the one side you want to seal it. Make sure you press down tightly on both corners, and then we're going to do seal only. And now it should be heating up and it should be sealing this. Now you press on the side to lift it up, and there we go. We got it nice and sealed tight. So now what you'll do is you'll go ahead and put in your food on this side. Slide your food in. So what we're going to do, let's zoom you guys out here so you can get a better angle. We made some curly fries, but we're not going to eat all of them tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and put a bunch of them in here. So now what you're going to do is you put it in here, place it down in here, and then you're going to slowly press it down, and then you're going to do normal vac if that's what you want to do. And now it's making it airtight. And now we wait. Okay, so the light went off, and I believe that means it's good to open. And there, vacuum sealed. So now we can use these for another meal. So we can go ahead and set them aside. Now we got a whole bunch here. So we already made a really big bag. So we're going to go ahead and heat that bag up on the one side. So just like normal, you put it in here. Let's put it this way. You place this down. Seal only. Alright guys, so now we got this nice bunch of potatoes. So we're going to go ahead and place this in here. Set it down and press hard in both corners, and now we're going to do normal vac. So yeah, I can give this an 8 out of 10. It does what it's supposed to do, so that's all you can ask for. Plus, I like it that it has the roll, you know, you can cut it. And just like that, vacuum sealed, headed for the freezer. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This gets an 8 out of 10.